Hello everyone. Today I discuss about how to remove the background in Photoshop. There has a lot of way, but I show the so easy way. So let's go.
First, we are input the background image or working image. Then it's double click and change the name. And okay. Then we are take a new layer and this layer one drag down and then we are go background color. In this layer we are fill a light color. Okay, like this. Okay, and this one fill here and click on woman layer. Then we are go eraser tool and background eraser tool. Then we are looking here three option. We'll just choose middle one. Okay, and it's okay and it's 30% and it's check. And then we are in this time we are woman layer and just in this background which one we are required to erase this, left click and hold on. Okay, just hold on and move. We are just erase this foreground color. It's only erase this color because we are first select and hold on this. Okay, and go in here and erase all. Okay, we are look in here some problem. Okay, how do this one remove? Because if I click here then his body remove and it's back control Z. Then we'll go pen tool and just select those on in this section. Okay, just and all plus left click and in here click and it's close and click control plus enter and it's on select in this area select and go to eraser tool and this one just erase. Okay, but we are looking in here some difference this color and this color, so we are again go eraser tool and background eraser and then either this matching color, hold on, left click and hold on, then easily remove background color. Just zoom and click. Okay, nothing else, just click. Okay, I think it's good. And when we are required to brush decrease or increase, just left arrow click and control plus minus or zoom in and zoom out.
If you get any helpful information in this video, then please hit on like and share button, and obviously subscribe our channel. Thank you.